Hi, this is Allie, and I'm going to teach you how to factor a polynomial. The equation we will be solving today is 3x squared plus 3x minus 6. So the first thing you do is you take the first number in the equation and the last number, and you multiply them together. So when you multiply 3 and negative 6, you get negative 18. So now you have to take the product of these two numbers, which is negative 18 for this equation, and put it at the top of the diamond, and you take the middle term and you put it at the bottom of the diamond. Okay, so you need to find two numbers that when you multiply them together they'll equal negative 18, and when you add them together they equal 3, so 6 times negative 3 is negative 18, and 6 plus negative 3 is 3. Okay, so once you find the two numbers that will multiply to negative 18 and add to make 3, you have to put them in this rectangle box thing, and you take this number and you put it here, and then you add the variable to the end, and then you take the other number and add it here, and you put the variable to the end of that one too, and then you take the first term and put it there, and the last term and put it there. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to find a number that is the same. These two numbers have in common, these two numbers have in common, these two numbers have in common, and these two have in common. So what 6x and 6 have in common is 6, and then what 3x and 3x have in common is 3x, and then what number times 3x equals 3x squared is x, x times 6 is 6x, what these have in common is negative 1, 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x, negative 6 times negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Okay, so now, stop singing right now. So now, ready to stop singing. Okay, so now you have to take these top numbers and put them in the equation. So 3x minus 6, and then x plus 1. So they put them together, and it's 3x minus 6 times x plus 1. And then that's your answer.